How to earn money from freelancing. Earning money through freelancing involves several steps, from building your skills and finding clients to managing your projects effectively. Here's a simplified guide to help you get started. Identify your skills and niche. Assess your skills and expertise in areas like writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, etc. Determine your niche based on your interests and where you can offer value to clients. Build a strong portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. Include samples, case studies, testimonials, and relevant experience. Highlight your skills, achievements, and unique selling points to attract potential clients. Set up your freelance profile. Create profiles on freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or specialized platforms for your niche. Optimize your profile with a professional photo, compelling bio, relevant skills, and portfolio links. Find and pitch to clients. Use job search filters on freelance platforms to find relevant projects. Craft personalized pitches highlighting how your skills and experience match the client's needs. Deliver high-quality work. Communicate effectively with clients to understand project requirements and expectations. Deliver work on time and exceed client expectations to build a positive reputation. Manage finances and contracts. Set clear rates, payment terms, and contracts with clients to ensure fair compensation and protect your rights. Use invoicing tools or platforms to send professional invoices and track payments. Continuously learn and improve. Stay updated with industry trends, tools, and technologies relevant to your freelance work. Invest in ongoing learning and skills development to stay competitive and expand your services. By following these steps and staying dedicated to delivering quality work, meeting deadlines, and building strong client relationships, you can earn a sustainable income from freelancing. For more information, click the link in the description.